Hello everyone. So I'm here to introduce our upcoming batches. The first upcoming batch is Network Engineer Master Program, and this program is starting from 18th November, and the timing for this batch is 9:30 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time. And guess who is the instructor? The Atul Sharma. Atul sir is the instructor for this particular batch. This is a Hindi batch, and this is twice or thrice in a week. In Network Engineer Master Program, we are covering CCNA, CCNP and RCN Palo Alto Firewall. So if in case you want to become a network security engineer, this is the best programs to learn. Okay, so the second batch, the batch is starting from 15th November, this coming Saturday. This batch for Palo Alto Firewall. So if in case you already know CCNA, CCNP, you know routing switching, then if in case you want to become a network security engineer, firewall is the best option for you, and Palo Alto is the leading firewall. So this batch is on 15th November, 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and the trainer is Vikas. And on 15th November itself, we have a CCNP security. This is going to be a very big batch because this batch is for 6 months, including SCORE, VPNs, ICE, FTDs, all 7 modules covered in CCNP security. It's more than 150 hours of live course. And again, this is on weekend. 15th November is the day one for this program. And the trainer is Arun. Arun is a Cisco tech. Okay, he know in and out about security. Okay, so the next batch is for the cloud side. Recently we started. We already put one video on YouTube for this Azure Master Program. And the trainer for this master program is Hitesh. Hitesh is ex-Microsoft employee. So he's an expert. He's an architect in cloud side. Okay. So this batch we started on 13th November. And still you can take the admissions. The timing for this batch is at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And in this master program, we have AZ-104, 500, 700. That means AZ-104 Azure administrators, AZ-500 is cloud security, and AZ-700 is advanced networking concepts under this master programs. Okay. And then we have another program which is starting from 22nd of November. This is a Microsoft 365 administrator taken care by cloud expert Sahitya. Okay, this is again is a weekend batch. Saturday, Sunday, 11 a.m. is the timing for this particular batch. And in cybersecurity, this is a future, like a cloud and cybersecurity is future. So guys, if in case you're already done with networking, if in case you're planning to upgrade yourself, then cloud and cybersecurity is for you. It's a future. So you can plan. We started our 2 master programs for cybersecurity, blue team and red team. You can take the admission for both. The red team program, we are starting from this 15th November, 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and trainer is Ashish for this. In this master programs, we have a CH B13 theory and practicals plus CompTIA pen test. This is a part of our red team. And after that, you can plan. We have another firewalls, which is Fortinet firewall, 48. So the trainer for this firewall is Rohan. Rohan have almost 15-year experience. He recently started one more advanced batch on Wireshark also. So if in case you are taking admission in Fortinet firewalls, we are giving a complimentary Wireshark recording videos. Okay. And the last is a Palo Alto Hindi batch. So if in case you want to learn in Hindi, we have a batch Hindi as well as in English. English batch I already announced on 15th November onward. That's a weekend batch. And if in case you're planning for Hindi, Manpreet is a trainer for this, and starting from 18th November, 9 p.m. Okay. So thank you guys. Bye-bye.